Ladies, if you wear wigs, weaves, braids, or extensions,
and if you're tender-headed like me,
or tangled just like me,
or have thick hair like mine,
or hate getting your hair combed,
keep watching.
Hi guys, thanks for checking out another TM Hair Products video. In today's video, I am talking about a giveaway. I've been hinting to you guys that I was going to do a back to school giveaway. So I wanted to do something a little different than what I usually do on my channel. Usually do a giveaway and I just give away the detangler and styling aid. But I was thinking and I was like, well, you know, I want to do something a little different. Let me just say off the top, everything in this giveaway is purchased by me. It is not sponsored. Nobody gave me nothing. Nobody donated nothing. This is all purchased by me. Now, I wanted to do a back to school giveaway because I'm like, okay, my nieces are going back to school. And they want to look cute. They want to have it together. They want to be fly. So I'm like, my social media nieces, I need to give them options. So let me show you what you're going to get in this giveaway. And I'm excited because I've tried to consider all types of people. The first thing you're going to get is the Smooth Through Detangler. So you can detangle, deep condition, get started off on the right track. Then I'm going to send you the Perfect Assist styling aid. So we're going to get your hair on the right track. Now, I also wanted to send you guys some of my favorite things, like some things that I really like, some things that you've seen on my channel over and over again, and these are some of my favorite things. Now, along with the detangler and the styling aid, you guys have heard me talk about this comb several times. This is my favorite comb, hands down. Now, if you plan on going back to school with your hair silky, fly, fresh, deep condition with this. This is all you need. This and your heat protectant. This is all you need. You don't need any other silk serums. You don't need any other silk drops. You don't need none of that. All you need is to deep condition with this for 20 minutes. And when I say deep condition, sit under a hooded dryer. Deep condition with this for 20 minutes and silk press your hair. Baby, listen. You're going to be all of that. Okay? Now, this comb is the comb that I use when I silk press my girl's hair. So this is the comb when you do the chase method. This is the comb that I use, right? This comb is what you call it's like it doesn't absorb, like pick up odor, and it doesn't pick up color, and you see the teeth is perfect for silk pressing. And this is here on purpose. This is for parting. I love this comb. I keep this comb on hand. You will get this comb brand new, of course. This is mine, but you will get a brand new, and everything you're going to get is brand new. I'm just showing you mine. So you will get this comb. Now, you guys know what I tell you about parting. I mean, don't take parting tips from me, but this helps me out as best as my parting is going to get. So this is this comb. What I do is I pluck the teeth out of it because I want this point. This is great also for detangling when you have knots. With this little point here, you can pick through the knot. Now, don't comb your hair with this. Do not send me no emails. Tell me, I comb my hair with that black comb and do not comb your hair with this, okay? Do not comb your hair with this comb. Now, this comb, if you're detangling and you want to use a fine tooth comb, this is great. This is a all-purpose comb. Like you can use this for parting, you can use it for silk pressing, you can use it for detangling. You can use this comb for everything. This comb, great. This comb, which yours will look like this. This is what yours will look like. You got to pluck your own teeth out. I'm not going to do that for you. Your comb will look like this. This is great for picking out knots, tangles, all of that. But this is not good for combing. Do not comb your hair with this, okay? Got it. Then, of course, you guys know I've been raving about these spray bottles. You're going to get a spray bottle as well. This is my sanitizer spray bottle. My water doesn't look like this. So don't be like, oh my God, that's your water. No, no. My water doesn't look like this. This is sanitizer. I use this to spray down my counters. I keep this in my kitchen to spray down my counters after I get through cooking and all of that stuff. So you will get a spray bottle like this. I'm going to send you 5 croc clips. May not be black. They might be red, yellow, blue, whatever. But you're going to get 5 croc clips because you guys know I rave about these. I love these croc clips. You're going to get 5 of those. And then I'm going to make you guys 5 hair ties. These are the best thing for like ponytails, for just to put your hair up, like if you want to put your hair up. Or you know what, I might not make them for you guys. I might just send you enough to make 5 hair ties, and you can make them the size that you want. So I'm going to send you some of this for you to make hair ties. I love these, and if you look at my videos when I put my kids' hair in ponytails and stuff like this, this is what I use. These are great. They don't break your hair. They don't snag your hair. They don't pull your hair out. I love these. So I will send you some of this for you to make your own hair ties, or if you prefer me make them, you know, I can make your hair ties. It's very simple. You just fold it, cut it, and put a knot at the end. That's pretty much it. But these are, I love this elastic, and I have this in so many colors, but I'm going to send you guys black because I really don't feel like pulling out all the colors, showing y'all. But so I'm going to send, you can get this in black or white. So if you want black or you want white, I can send it to you in black or white. Now, let's get down to the nitty gritty. Let's get down to the fun stuff. So I was thinking, I said, you know what? My nieces got different personalities. None of my nieces are the same. So I decided I wanted to do something very different. These are all completely different hairstyles, right? So again, as I told you guys before, I bought this with my money. None of this was donated. None of this was sent to me for a video or none of that. Okay, so I said, some of my nieces like to do their own hair, right? They like to create their own hairstyles. They might want box braids or the knotless crochet braids or individuals or whatever. So I said, I can send my nieces. I'm going to send whoever wins the giveaway, you're going to get 6 packs of hair. Now this hair comes in 1B and 2. That's it. So I'm going to send you 6 packs of hair to do your full head. You can choose from like 30. You can choose from 40 inches, 50 inches. Yeah, 40 or 50 inches. So I'm going to send you 6 packs. So 40 inches. This is, let me see. This is 50 inches and it's pretty long and it's already stretched. It's pre-stretched hair. It's great hair. I've used it. If you see me braiding hair in a video, this is the hair that I use. So I'm going to send you, I don't know, I'll play it back in the video, but I think I said 6 packs. Whatever, however many I said. I'm going to send you these. Now, I say, you know, some of my nieces are a little more, I'm sorry, I have my little table right here. So some of my nieces, you know, they may not know how to braid. They may not know how to do all of that stuff. So they may want something simpler, right? Got you. Now, and also, moms, if you like this hair, if it, I'm sorry, I'm just getting all tongue-tied. I got so much I want to tell you guys. If this is too long for your child, I think, I'm not quite sure, I'm not 100% certain, I have to check and see. I think I have this hair in 30 inches. I think it's in a 1B, 2, or 4, but don't quote me on that. I know I have 30 inches, but I'm not sure if it's 1B, 2, or 4. So if you want to braid your own child's hair or something like that for my younger nieces, this is what you got. Now, so for my nieces who like natural looks, right? They like their hair natural. They don't like to do too much. They're not over the top. They're not, you know, they're not with all of that. I got you. Okay. So I have crochet twists. And what I'm going to try to do, I'm going to try to link videos to me using all of this here. I have crochet twists. So I think I have seven packs of this hair. So I'm going to send you 7 packs of this hair. And then I bought 1 accent color. This is a beautiful burgundy. It's beautiful. So it could be an accent color that you wear under the bottom or accent color at the top. And we're going into winter and fall. So this will be great. Or you can wear it back to school. It doesn't matter. But this is a beautiful, the camera's not picking it up. But it's that pretty burgundy. So yeah, so if you like that, you can pick this one. Or if you're strictly a crochet girl, I purchased some Goddess Deep Wave. These are pretty long. So my little nieces, I don't recommend this for you. This is pretty long. This is for my older nieces, high school, college. I would recommend, I don't know, some of y'all do it middle school. I just, you know, middle school. So I'm going to send you, I think 8 packs of this, 7 or 8 packs of this. I have to check, but it's enough. I know it's going to be enough to do a full head of this hair. And this comes in 1B. So you said, well, you've told me all of this stuff. So how do I win? Simply, either myself or my daughters are going to go through the comment section and pick a comment that we like, and that person's the winner. And what I'll do is I'll post a video posting your comment. I will not post your name because I've done that before, and people who really didn't win tried to contact me to claim the prize. So I am going to post the comment. So when you respond with your YouTube name. So you have to email, do not call. Do not call. Email customer service. That's customer service at tmhairproducts.com. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do another video after this one, obviously, and I'm going to post your comments. I'm going to post your comment on the screen. If this is your comment, you have 24 hours to email us with your name, your address, your YouTube name, because I'm going to remove the comment from the comment section. So if you can't tell me the YouTube name that made the comment, I will not be responding. You will not be the winner. So the first person who does that, I mean, not the first person who does that, the person who wins, you have 24 hours from the date the video is published to contact us. If not, we will pick another winner. Now, for U.S. residents, your shipping is covered by us. If you are not a U.S. resident, I am so sorry, but I am not going to cover the shipping. I cannot do that. You have to cover your shipping and your custom fees. What you can do is you can email us your address, and I can tell you how much your shipping is. I don't know what your custom fees are, because the custom fees are taken care of once the package gets to where you are. So if you're in Canada, the UK, the Netherlands, and all of those places, you can still win, but you are responsible for your shipping and your custom fees. So I just want to put that out there. I did not want to exclude you, but if you want to be included, again, you will be responsible for your shipping and your custom fees. So if you want your package shipped first class, I'll give you first class. If you want your package shipped priority, I'll tell you what priority shipping is. So again, let me recap. Either myself or my daughters are going to go through the comment section, pick a comment that they like or I like. I'm going to do a video posting that comment. I'm not going to post the person's YouTube name. I'm just going to post the comment. If you made the comment, you have 24 hours to contact us via email. Do not call. If you call, we're not going to assist you with this, because that's a whole different, this has nothing to do with whether you can order your products or not. That's what the customer service number's for. Email us at customerservice@tmhairproducts.com, and I'll put it somewhere on the screen. Email us with your name, your government name, your address, your shipping address, where you want the product shipped to, and your YouTube name. If you do not add your YouTube name, I will not respond. You will not win. You have 24 hours to contact us. If you do not contact us within 24 hours, we'll pick another person. It's that simple. So we're just going to go through the comment section, pick a random comment that we like. I'm going to do a video and post it. You have 24 hours to contact us via email. If you don't contact us via email, we'll do another video, posting another comment, and so on and so forth. And I'll do it maybe 3 times. If nobody contacts me, then I'll just do the giveaway another time. So I hope you understand that. If you have any questions, if it's something that's not clear, I think I've covered everything. Leave it in the comments below. If you are a U.S. resident, your shipping is covered. If you're not a U.S. resident, you are responsible for your custom and your shipping fees. Thank you guys for supporting TM Hair Products. Thank you guys for purchasing TM Hair Products. Thank you guys for supporting this channel. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. Hit the notification bell to be notified of all our videos so you won't miss out on the next giveaway. And I will talk to you guys in the next video. Oh, also, when you email us, let me know which hair you want. If you want the goddess braids, if you want the twist, or do you want the braiding hair? So make sure you put that in the comment section, and not in the comment section, in your email. Make sure you put that in your email. And also if you want the color 1B or 2. Now, the braiding hair is either 1B or 2. The crochet braids are 1B. The twist, the crochet twists are 1B, and then the accent, burgundy accent pack. So I hope that's clear. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and we'll try to answer them as soon as possible. And I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.